Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Okta customer identity for insurance policy portals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Okta for your insurance policy portals, log in to your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section in the dashboard. Click on the Add Application button. Select the web option from the application types presented. Provide a name for your application, such as Insurance Policy Portal. Set the sign-on method to OpenID Connect. In the Redirect URI field, under Logout Redirect URI, enter the URL where users will be sent after logging out. Click on Done to save your application configuration. Next, navigate to the Users section in the dashboard. Select the Groups tab. Create a new group specifically for your insurance policy portal users. Add users to this group based on their roles within the insurance policy portal. Return to the application you created earlier and proceed to the Assignments tab. Assign the newly created group to the application. Now, access the Security section in the Okta dashboard. Click on API and then Token to create a new API token. Copy this token for future use in your application's code. Next, configure the application's authentication settings by defining user attributes. This includes setting up necessary claims such as name, email, and role. Ensure your application can handle user registration and login requests securely. Set up user profile mapping to sync Okta user profiles with your insurance portal. Implement multi-factor authentication in the sign-on settings if needed for added security. Test the integration by logging into your insurance policy portal using your Okta credentials. Verify that users can register, authenticate, and access their insurance policy details. Finally, monitor user activities and access logs to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Make necessary adjustments based on user feedback and activity reports. Your Okta configuration is now complete, enabling secure access for users of your insurance policy portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.